Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator ice maker assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new ice maker assembly. The ice maker assembly is where the ice is made in the freezer. The main reason to be changing it out is if one or more of the parts have failed and you'd rather change out the whole assembly instead of the individual pieces. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Once you have the door open, we have to take the drawer out. So we're just going to pull it out a little bit, and you want to make sure that the rails on each side are pushed all the way up like this. And then we can lift up on the drawer and pull it out. Now that we have the drawer out of the way, we can reach in and take the ice maker assembly out. First thing we're going to do is take off this cover. It's just snapped on. You can flex it and pull it off. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Then we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold it to the top of the freezer. Once you have both screws out, you can grab the ice maker and pull it towards the front of the freezer. Once you have it free, you can drop it down. We have to reach up and disconnect the wire harness that holds it on. There's a little locking tab on it. You have to press on. Once you have it free, you can pull the ice maker assembly out of the freezer. Here's the old ice maker assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they redesigned the ice maker, but it will go in and work just fine. To put the new ice maker assembly in, we're just going to hook up the wiring harness. It can only go one way, so just line it up and snap it in. Once you have it connected, we're going to carefully rotate the ice maker assembly around. Then we have to make sure that the fill tube assembly goes into the opening. Then we're going to line up the rear mounting points and push the ice maker back so it locks in. Once you have it in place, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Because they redesigned the ice maker, we don't have to put the front cover on. The new ice maker comes with it. So once you have the screws tightened down, we can put the drawer back in. To put the drawer back in, you want to make sure that the slides are in the same position they were when you took them off. And then we can carefully set the drawer in. You want to make sure that the slides go onto the glides. And you can push it all the way back in. Once you have it in, you can close the freezer door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.